What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man. We are back again with another video. I updated you guys yesterday letting you guys know that they pushed the release date back on most foot sites like Foot Locker, Foot Action, I believe it was East Bay. And I checked Finish Line this morning to check online to see if they had any pairs sitting, and everything was sold out, man. Like I've been telling you guys for like the last couple months, everything that has been releasing is not safe. Nothing is safe anymore. There's been a couple of shoes I released this year that if it would have released last year, we all know would have been sitting for some days, maybe even some months. But since this whole quarantine thing started, a lot of shoes just been selling out instantly, man. So we picked these things up today from Shoe Palace, man. Shouts out to my boy DARETROWIZKID again. Came through clutch, bruh. The real MVP for the last couple of releases. And also shouts out to Shoe Palace, man. And while I was there, I put in my raffle ticket for the Air Jordan 1 Smoke Gray. So hopefully I hit on them joints because I definitely need to add those to the collection, man. So let's go ahead and break these things down, show you guys how they looking. I finally got my size. I know you guys see that size 11.5. I think it was a size 12 I had from my boy. Shouts out to KickzOnIce. I gave you that dope early review over them joints. Before we pull these things out, man, right now what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now to the channel, ring the notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video that drops. Smash the like button. You guys already know the goal for every video is 300 likes, man. So if you're watching this, support the channel, support the grind, and smash the like button. It goes a long way, man. You guys already know that. And also, if you don't mind, please head over to IG, give your boy a follow with DeVintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box, man. So let's go ahead and get into these things. Size 9, my size. Finally got them in the collection, finally got them in hand. So let's get into it. So like I said, I got these things from Shoe Palace, and while I was in there, man, I met somebody that watches the channel. He was like,
bro, why you picking up another pair of them joints?
I was like, those are my size. They're size 11.5. I can't fit them. There'll be bolts on my feet. This is the shoe that really came out of nowhere. I did not even know that they was releasing towards the beginning of the year, but now that I've seen them, I seen a couple pictures before I even got them in hand to give you guys that early review, and I was like, bro, I got to cop them, man. And as everybody knows, they pushed the release date back on Nike sneakers app. I will be going live tomorrow on my birthday to help you guys secure your pair, man. I might even double up on these things. That's how clean they are, but check them out. You guys already seen them. Bam, bam, Air Jordan 5 purple great things, man. I'm giving you guys some dope b-roll in this video. I did it as well in the early review, but this one right here, man, I gotta drop that on feet for you guys. These things are super buttery, man. I love this shoe. I don't know what it is. And Air Jordan 5s really just start growing on me. I only had like a couple of pair before this year, and now I done cop 3-4 pairs already in 2020, man. And there's some more Air Jordan 5s coming out this year that I know I'm gonna grab. I think it's the Oregon Duck 5s, the general release pair, of course, and it's a couple other Air Jordan 5s, man. But here you have it. Size 9 Air Jordan 5 purple, great things, super crazy. The suede on these joints is immaculate, man. The quality is very good on these joints. And right now, while I got you here, man, let me know if you hit anywhere online, if you were able to pick up your pair today. I know a lot of people gotta wait till tomorrow, and like I said, we will be going live trying to help everybody out that did not secure their pair, man. And it's my birthday, man, so I need everybody to pull up tomorrow for the live stream and wish your boy a happy birthday, man. Let me go ahead and pull the other shoe out real quick. And yeah, man, super crazy. I'm glad I finally got them. Like I've been telling you, I've been stressing it really, like, bro, I need to get my size. I almost took an L. I didn't hit on Foot Locker. I didn't hit on Champ Sports. I didn't even hit a Shoe Palace initially, man. I just have some very good friends that look out for your boy, and they're also looking out for you guys as well, man, so I can give you guys these dope videos, man. Today, I really wanted to highlight the on feet portion of these guys right here. I'm gonna throw a couple different jeans with this one. I'm gonna show you guys how I lace these joints. Nothing too crazy. And I might drop a separate video giving you guys 3 different lace styles on how to lace these Air Jordan 5s right here, man. Icy blue soles. Got your purple Jumpman right here. And on the tongue, you get your turquoise Jumpman with the whole 3M on the tongue. I feel like the Air Jordan 5 Fire Reds really set the tone as far as Air Jordan 5s releasing this year, and it really started the hype, started the wave with people copping Air Jordan 5s, man. Honestly, at the beginning of the year, I told myself I wasn't gonna cop that many shoes, but recently, during this quarantine, I've been copping a lot of pairs I probably wasn't even a cop last year. So I got 2 questions for you guys to end off the video, man. Did you pick up these Air Jordan 5 alternate grapes? And if you didn't, let me know if you will be trying to cop them online tomorrow, man. Let me know down below in the comment section. I appreciate everybody for tuning into this video. Like I said, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, man, make sure you subscribe right now. On the road to 40K. Help your boy out, share, like, comment down below something. Answer 2 questions to ask you guys. Smash that like button. The goal for every video is 300 likes. You guys already know. Head over to Instagram, give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box. You guys should already know that. And with all that being said, we're gonna jump right into a quick on feet and check out the way I lace some joints so you can know how to drip down your Air Jordan 5 purple grapes, man. Let's get it.
Bro, Jay, you was right about that. Turbo green laces, put them in these alternate grade 5s. These things go extra crazy, man. Shouts out to Jay, the sneaker guy. I will link him down below so you can go figure out who the first one to pretty much put me on the spot with the lace swap right here, man. Shouts out to you, bro. This goes super hard. I cannot wait to throw these things on feet, man.